Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Frankenstein kitty. It's going to be simple, easy, and for beginners. Um, if you're a beginner, this is perfect for you. Stick around all the way through the very end of the lesson. It is only 8 minutes. So that means at the very end of the 8 minutes, you will have a brand new skill if you stick with it. And that's it, okay? If you love Halloween and you love drawing things from Halloween and learning more about Halloween stuff, like drawing wise, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. That is going to let you know when I post. All right, let's get started. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to start with a curve here for the left side of the cat's head. Go to the top here, and then come out here for the right. Going over here for one ear, down. Gonna do the same thing through the other side. Down. Alright. I'm gonna actually pull across here, flatten that out. Down here for the body, and then on one side, and down here for the other side of the body. I'm gonna pull this line in, out, down. Pull this line in, out, down for the ears. Circle for one eye. Circle for the other eye. Right on the center, like right there, kind of like lined up, I'm going to draw the nose shape. It's going to be an upside down triangle, like a small one, like so. Gonna pull a curve here and a curve here, and a little line here with a round shape for the tongue. Pulling a curved line down here for a paw. Another, it's like two U shapes right there. Line connecting them. Out over here, kind of around the corner here, it's another block. And I'm going to draw feet out here to the side. Out here. Over here is the tail to one side. I'm going to fill in most of the eye. Curve over here. So now we're going to start putting the patterns that, you know, it's like a Frankenkitty, right? I'm going to curve a line there. That the line's going to be thinner. Alright. And I'm going to do another one, let's say over here. It's going to be like a patch. We're about to make it a patch. Over here at the end of the tail, kind of. We could draw maybe one more over here. Okay. So, now we're going to do is we're going to draw stitching there like he's a Frankenstein kitty. Frankenkitty. Just draw these lines like they were stitched together, Frankenkitty. Line here as well. So really, really simplistic. You can even draw like another one over here, let's say. Try to make sure the line is thinner than the outside lines, because then it'll look like more of a detail. Line over here, like so, like these lines to make them look like patches. And you can add as many of those as you want. I wouldn't overdo it too much, but It does really kind of help, obviously, the whole Franken-Kitty thing. If you really want, you can draw these bolts on the neck. Right there, line, line. Then just draw a square at the end of it. Right, so it looks like bolts on the kitty's neck. And what we're going to do now is I'm going to draw like a thicker line. Oopsie. All around the outside of the design. I want these lines on the outside. Right, this outside is going to contain it. Like so. I'm just kind of fixing up these lines here. I think this is too thick, so I'm going to kind of thicken out this line on this side to even it out. So it's a little bit of a balancing act. Yeah, that works pretty well, I think, right there. Maybe this line will be a little bit thicker. Or this one, sorry. Anyways, thank you so much. There's a free gift for you. That's it, by the way. There's a free gift for you in the description. There is free Halloween drawing templates. This was a product the last 2 years, but this year I'm giving it out for free just for being here. I thought it was kind of a not so good last year and a half, so that's why I'm giving it out. Go check that out. It's 100% free. Top link, and thank you so much. Also, if you got some value from this video, share the video. Like, press the share button on YouTube and automatically share it somewhere to something you're logged into already, whether that's Twitter or Instagram or Facebook or any of that. That will help the channel a lot. It helps your algorithm out. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. And stay spooky, okay? See you later.